In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Planner Premium welcome emails in Teams. Let's start by opening Microsoft Planner with your Teams account. In your browser, go to planner.cloud.microsoft. This is the same Planner experience you see inside Teams, just opened on its own in the web. If the sign-in page appears, click Sign In the center of the page. Now sign in using the same Microsoft 365 work or school account that you use for Planner inside Teams. It's important to use that exact account because the email setting only applies to whoever is signed in. Once you've entered your details, wait for the Planner homepage to finish loading. Next, let's open the Planner notification settings. Look to the upper right corner of Planner and click the Settings gear. When the Settings menu opens, click Notifications. This is where you control which emails Planner sends to you. Now let's turn off the Premium Plan welcome email. Under the Email Notification options, find the one that says, "Someone added me to a premium plan or portfolio." This is the setting responsible for those welcome messages. Go ahead and toggle off the option for "Someone added me to a premium plan or portfolio." Leave every other notification option exactly as it is, unless you also want to change those settings for yourself. Finally, let's save the notification change. At the bottom of the Notifications dialog, click Save. Then wait a moment for the dialog to close, or for Planner to confirm that your settings were saved. From now on, Planner will stop sending premium plan welcome emails to the signed-in account whenever that account is added to premium plans or portfolios. This includes premium plans that are used from inside Teams, so you're covered there as well. Keep in mind that any emails already sitting in your inbox will stay there, since this change only affects future messages. Also remember that this setting is personal to your own account. If your teammates want the same result, each of them will need to open their own planner, go into their notification settings, and turn off the very same option for themselves. And that's it. You've now stopped Planner Premium welcome emails for your account in just a few simple steps. Congratulations, you're all done.